Welcome to Learn English Easier and Faster, where we unlock the physical side of speaking fluently, naturally, and with real confidence. Have you ever wondered why you can understand English clearly in your head, but still stumble awkwardly when you try to speak out loud? Here's the simple truth most people ignore. Speaking English is a physical skill, much like playing a sport or playing the piano. It's not only about mental knowledge, it's about training the many muscles in your face, mouth, and tongue to move in new ways. We often struggle because we treat language like data to memorize instead of a physical habit that must be trained and drilled. Today, we'll build that crucial bridge between your brain and your mouth using practical techniques that create true muscle memory. You will shift from a passive listener into an active speaker by physically training your mouth to perform without constant conscious effort. This is muscle memory, your body's ability to reproduce a movement smoothly and accurately without your brain micromanaging every step. Just like a pianist doesn't stare at their fingers, you will learn to speak without constantly thinking about grammar or vocabulary. Now, I'm going to guide you through 9 simple secrets that turn English from thinking into speaking, and you can start using them today. Let's begin with the first secret. Secret number 1, emotional shadowing. Most people repeat words like a robot, but language is carried on waves of emotion, rhythm, and tone. You must copy the speaker's exact melody, rising when they rise and falling when they fall. Don't just say the words. Try to become the person you're listening to, adopting their personality and feelings. When you attach emotion to a phrase, your brain remembers it far more deeply than if you only read text. Try practicing with movie scenes where characters are angry, sad, or excited, and match their energy fully with your voice. If the speaker laughs, you laugh. If they sigh, you sigh. This synchronizes your physical state with the language patterns. This technique helps your brain treat English as real expression, not just foreign vocabulary. Make it a performance. The more committed you are in practice, the more natural you'll sound in real conversations later. Focus on the pauses. Silence is part of the rhythm. If the speaker pauses for breath, you pause too. Your goal is to become a perfect echo, reflecting not just sound, but the intent and feeling behind the message. This is how you learned your first language as a child, by feeling the sounds long before you understood grammar. Visualization matters. See yourself as the character. That mental shift releases tension and lets your voice flow. By practicing emotion, you stop translating in your head and start reacting with your instincts, and that is a real secret to fluency. Master emotional shadowing first. Now let's move to a physical workout for your mouth muscles. Secret number 2, overexaggeration. This is where we take your mouth to the gym for a heavy workout. When we speak a foreign language, we often mumble because our muscles aren't used to new positions. To break that stiffness, practice by exaggerating every sound, opening your mouth wider than feels comfortable. Stretch your lips forward, pull them back firmly, and drop your jaw low. You should feel a stretch in your cheeks. Think of it like a baseball player swinging a weighted bat. When you return to normal speaking, it feels easy. Make sure every ending sound is crisp and clear. If a word ends in T, finish with a strong T. Your face should feel tired after 5 minutes. That fatigue is a sign your muscles are being trained. You'll look silly doing this, so do it alone in your room. The goal is training, not performance. This technique loosens jaw tension that can strengthen an accent and make your English sound muddy or unclear. After 10 minutes of exaggeration, switch to normal speaking. You'll be surprised how much clearer you sound. Pay special attention to difficult sounds. Train the full range of English mouth shapes and movements. Clarity comes from space. When you open your mouth, sound has room to resonate and project. Overexaggeration builds the physical foundation for clarity. Now let's focus on the most important muscle, your tongue. Secret number 4, mirror and smile technique. This combines visual feedback with a powerful trick for relaxation. Your brain needs to see what your mouth is doing to correct errors. A mirror gives instant, honest feedback. When we get nervous, the jaw tightens, but it's hard to keep a tight jaw when you're genuinely smiling. Smiling lifts and opens the space in your mouth, making your voice sound brighter, friendlier, and more open. Mechanically, smiling pulls your lips back, which can make certain sounds easier to articulate more clearly. Psychologically, smiling signals confidence to your brain, even if you feel nervous inside. Start your day by speaking to yourself in the mirror for 2 minutes. Keep a light smile, even if it feels forced. This physical action can calm your body and make it easier to access words without freezing up. Watch native speakers on TV. You'll notice many confident speakers naturally hold a slight smile. Try saying, "Hi, how are you?" with a serious face, then with a smile. You can hear the difference right away. The mirror is your best friend. It doesn't judge you, it only shows you what you can improve. English is a language of connection. A smile physically prepares your face to connect through clearer, open sound. Practice this in your car's rearview mirror. Use travel time to build a positive habit of smiling speech. From visual feedback, we move to the core of athletic training, massive repetition. Secret number 5, repetition for muscle memory. This is where knowledge becomes automatic. This is the path to fluency. Imagine a path in a forest. Walk it once and the grass grows back. Walk it 100 times and the path stays. Saying a sentence once does almost nothing. Repeat a useful phrase 50 to 100 times to truly own it. Bruce Lee said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." Take a common phrase, say it until you're bored, then say it until it sounds strange, then say it again. Your goal is to move the sentence from conscious effort into subconscious muscle memory, an automatic reflex. When someone asks you a question, the answer should come out before you have time to analyze grammar. Bring this into real life. Repeat phrases while washing dishes, driving, or walking the dog. Use the dead time. Fluency comes from familiarity. Your mouth must know the sentence shape so well it feels natural. Focus on high-frequency phrases. Don't waste energy on rare words. Master what you will actually use every day. Yes, it can be boring, but boredom is often the price of mastery. Embrace the reps. You're building a linguistic body. Like the gym, you can't cheat the repetitions. You must do the work. Eventually, these phrases become part of you. You'll speak English as naturally as you breathe, without mental strain. But how do you know you're repeating it correctly? You need an objective judge. That's secret number 6. Secret number 6, record and mimic. This is the most uncomfortable but most effective way to fix pronunciation. Most people hate hearing their own voice, but you must push through that discomfort to improve quickly. What you hear in your head is different from what others hear. A recording tells the truth. You'll notice mistakes you didn't realize you were making. Maybe your TH sounds like D, or your rhythm is flat. Listen to a native clip. Record yourself saying the same lines, then compare them side by side. The difference becomes clear. Don't only listen, adjust it. Record again and again until you get very close to the native model. Keep your old recordings. Listening a month later is motivating because you'll hear your progress clearly. Be your own strict coach. You don't always need a tutor. Your phone can be a powerful feedback tool. This builds your ear for English. You start hearing small details you used to ignore. Hearing yourself improve is addictive. It fuels your motivation to keep practicing. Even professional actors and broadcasters do this. It's a gold standard for refining accent and delivery. Sometimes, to speed up, you must first go very, very slow. Let's explore secret number 7, speaking in slow motion. Before you can be fast, you must be precise. Speed hides errors. Think of Tai Chi. People practice slowly to perfect form. If you rush, you build bad habits that stick. Take a difficult sentence and say it at half speed. Have you seen this? Feel every muscle move. Slow motion helps you practice linking sounds, connecting the end of one word to the beginning of the next. You're mapping the path for your mouth. Once your muscles learn it slowly, they can follow it quickly. Start at 50% speed. When it's clean, go to 75%. Only when that is clean, go to 100%. Control builds confidence. If you stumble at high speed, slow down immediately. Don't practice mistakes. Practice clean, correct movement, then speed it up. Listen to the spaces between sounds. Slow motion helps you keep important endings and vowels. This also trains breath control. You learn how to manage air so you don't run out mid-sentence. Precision creates speed. Don't rush to sound fast, rush to sound clear. When the mechanics are correct, speed comes naturally as a result of confidence and muscle memory. Now that we've slowed down, let's learn how to handle complex words. We must learn to chew them. Secret number 8, chewing the words. This is for long, multi-syllable words that make you trip and stumble. Treat a long word like a tough piece of steak. You can't swallow it whole. You must cut it into pieces. Break the word down. Say each syllable clearly and strongly. Unfortunately. Give each part attention. Don't be lazy with your lips. Many learners say long words with a closed mouth. Open up and chew. Once you can say the pieces clearly, start gluing them together, slowly at first, then smoothing the transitions. This removes fear. When you see a long word, your brain automatically breaks it down. Pay attention to stress. Which piece is the biggest? Emphasize that syllable more than the others. Mastering this makes you sound more precise and confident. You stop mumbling and start articulating clearly. Practice with drills that include long words. It trains processing speed and mouth agility. No word is too difficult if you chew it properly. You control vocabulary instead of letting vocabulary control you. We've trained slowly, we've chewed carefully. Now it's time to sprint. Welcome to the final secret. Secret number 9, fast and clear game. This is the ultimate test of your new muscle memory. Challenge yourself to say a sentence as fast as you can, but, and this is crucial, it must stay 100% clear. If you slur words or drop sounds, you lose the game. Speed without clarity is just noise. Start again. This forces your mouth to work efficiently. It removes lazy movements and tightens pronunciation. It also overclocks your system. When you return to normal speed, everything feels slower, easier, and calmer. Time yourself. Can you say this paragraph in 10 seconds? Now try 8. Now try 6. Push your limits. Turn it into a game with friends. It's fun and adds pressure that feels closer to real-life speaking. This is high-intensity training for your mouth, short bursts of maximum effort, followed by rest and normal speech. After this game, normal conversation feels easy. You have extra time to think about meaning, not mechanics. These 9 secrets turn English from a mental subject into a physical skill. You are training your body to speak. It's not magic, it's muscle. It takes consistency, effort, and the willingness to look silly in a mirror. You don't need hours. 15 focused minutes a day beats hours of passive listening. Be patient with yourself. Muscles need time to grow and adapt. You will stumble, but keep moving. Imagine speaking without fear. Imagine your thoughts flowing out smoothly without getting stuck. That freedom is waiting for you. It's not in a textbook. It's in the physical training of your own body. Don't try everything at once. Pick one technique from this video and try it immediately after watching. Join the millions who have moved beyond grammar drills and built physical fluency. You have the tools, now build the discipline. Here at Learn English Easier and Faster, we believe in your potential. We're here to guide you every step of the way. If this video helped you shift your perspective, please leave a like and share it with a friend who's struggling. Tell us in the comments, which of these 9 secrets will you try first? We love reading your success stories. Remember to have fun. If you're laughing, you're relaxing. If you're relaxing, you're learning faster. Close the grammar book for a moment. Open your mouth, stretch your face, and let English become physical. Thank you for investing your time with us. Your dedication to self-improvement is inspiring to see. Language is the music of humanity. Play your instrument with pride, with volume, and with confident control. Tomorrow is a new day to practice. Wake up, look in the mirror, smile, and start your muscle memory workout. Walk tall, speak clearly. Let the world hear your voice. You've worked hard, and you deserve to be heard. Recall the steps. Shadow with emotion. Exaggerate your mouth. Train your tongue, and use the mirror to check your form. Repeat relentlessly. Record yourself. Slow down for precision. Chew big words. And finally, sprint for speed and clarity. English is not a monster to fight. It's a skill to love and to build with your body. Check out our other videos for more techniques to train faster and speak more confidently than ever before. I'm looking forward to hearing about your progress. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep training your muscles. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day practicing your new physical speaking skills. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Easier and Faster so you never miss a new video.